Oh, I'm friggin' live. Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Just got a really cool program that just launched this morning. It's called Secret Affiliate System by Glenn Kosky. Kosky? I think that's how you say his name. I don't know. Lots of people get this confused. It's Glenn or Glean. It's Glean. It's Glenn. Okay, so Secret Affiliate System. I'm gonna go through. We're gonna go through the sort of go through the the product, how what you're going to get. We're gonna go through my bonus pages. I'm actually throwing in a ton more bonuses. So what you see on the bonus page is just part of it, but there's gonna be a huge bonus. But I really like this program. It's already flying off the shelves. I've sold a bunch of them already, and you definitely want to get in on this because Glean's giving you everything he has. All right, so let's jump over to the bonus page first. So this is my bonus page, what you're going to get, secret affiliate system. Just so you know, it's a three-step process. He's giving you basically all of his assets on what he does $30,000 a month with. And basically, these are what you're going to be able to buy. So there's the early bird for $17. I think you get $3 off. I'll show you that on the sales page. OTO one time unlimited is 37 or 67. Those are upsells, downsells. If you don't know how to get the downsell, just go to scroll off the screen and you'll get it for the cheaper price. I recommend looking at each page and seeing which one you want. You get the unlimited version on the first upsell. You get the done for you on the second upsell, which if you're not tech savvy, get the done for you. You can get it for $47, which is a really great deal. Unlimited traffic is a great add-on. Automation, ATM, ultimate, and license rights. I always pick up the license rights because then you can make more commissions on every one you sell. You can earn over $500 per sale. So when you get this, you're able to then go promote it, and it's got a 30-day money back guarantee. And we're going to throw in some of these high ticket mastery, content curation hack. This is great. Jonah's going to show you how to do the hack, Gemini system, type for cash, the Fuego breakout, which is a great one, and a YT velocity. Oh, this is the vendors bonuses. All right, so you guys got a couple of days to get this, but I would recommend getting it right away because I don't know how long a lot of these programs come out and then the price goes up. So let's look at the sales page. It starts out with this new business system works worldwide on all devices, limited time. For anyone that wants to clone our $30,000 plus per month passive automatic recurring affiliate commission system, he's the real deal. Number one, number two, or number one affiliate on Warrior Plus, so he knows what he's doing. He's on Digistore, he's on ClickBank, he's on all of these. So the push button system lets you clone our done for you system. So what are you going to get today? 17 bucks is going to get you all this plus 10 additional bonuses. So you're going to get the secret affiliate system app, you're going to get the secret affiliate system funnel and site, the video series, you're getting the quick start guide, you're getting the checklist, you're getting the email swipe, 300 plus emails, which is valuable. You will always need emails in this business. 100% free autoresponder, 100% free traffic system, monthly commission case study, live orientation masterclass. Glean does a great job on the masterclass. And then the community group, his Facebook group. I'm in there. You'll see me in there. So definitely want to be in there. Save over $980 today just buying the front end. Look, it's already gone up. It started at 17. It's at 17.97. Again, guys, if you want to get it for a discount, you just go to scroll off the page and you'll get a pop-up that gives you a discount. So why do I like this program? Anyways, go through the sales page, lots and lots of stuff. Let's go down to the bonuses. Down here, bonuses, bonuses, bonuses. There's questions answered. Click the buy button, click the buy button, click the buy button, click the buy button, sold out. Where are the bonuses? There's more bonuses here, guys. I don't know where they are. The community group. Those are we went through the bonuses. That's what they were. Okay, so that is. Let me get back on my eCam here. There I am. All right. So what do I like about the secret affiliate system? It's really a done for you system. Glean has put everything into one package for you. So if you're just starting out, it's a great system to sort of get started and get your first commissions on. Here, let me get rid of me in the corner. There we go. Secondly, so it's a great system to start out. Now, if you've already sort of been doing affiliate marketing for a little while, this is a great funnel to hack. Go hack his funnel. Glean makes great funnels. They sell. He has conversions. Go hack his funnel. Go through each of the OTOs. Buy them if you need to. Learn how he's doing it, because at some point you want to get into product creation. If you're a newbie and you're going, I don't want to ever make products, Glenn, that's fine. You can make a killer 6-7 figure income just being an affiliate. You want to make more? Go make products. But so why I like this product, and it's so much better than all the other stuff that's been coming out lately, and that's why I haven't been doing a lot of review products, because there's a lot of sort of one-trick ponies, I call them. It's a product that will help you do one thing. Like it's gonna get you Instagram sales. Now those are great, and I recommend picking up some of those to see how they work, to take them and take it to the next level. But really, you want a system that works. So go ahead. The link's going to be below this. You can go to the bonus page, check it out, click the buy button. Like I said, those are just some of the bonuses I'm going to be giving. I'm putting in about 80 bonuses. If you're on my email list, you'll definitely see that. If this is not for you, I'll put a link to my free funnel training. It's not nearly as comprehensive as Glean's system, but it can get you started if you're just like, you're really bootstrapped and you really want to just start it at sort of the beginner level. Now, why do I do this? First off, I get paid commissions on the products that I recommend using, because as an affiliate marketer, you do need tools. You're going to need a landing page builder, and you're going to need an autoresponder. Now, with Glean's system, with the Secret Affiliate System, you get that all in there. He gives you the landing page. He gives you the autoresponder. He does that all within the system. Now, I personally use separate systems, because I like to be able to control everything myself. That's one of the reasons I show that in my funnel. But if you're starting out, go get the done for you stuff. Get it all in one spot, and get started that way. It's really, you have to remember, this isn't a job. This is your business, and you have to do your business your way. So whether you're going to do it through Glean's system, maybe you're going to look through my funnel, whatever it is, you need to build the business your way that makes you happy, that is, because it's your business, right? So whether you do it one way or the other way, it doesn't really matter, as long as you're doing something. And why I recommend picking up these programs, because you see how other marketers, top marketers, create products, and they show you the products that they're using in there, and they're giving you all the assets, which are the important thing to have. Whether it's bonuses that you can give away, all the bonuses that I'm giving to you are bonuses that I've picked up along the way, and some that I've created. Those are all in there for you. And that's why you want to go through these funnels and look at them and purchase them and get them into your hands. And don't refund them, guys. If keep them as resource material. Go through, use them. Make sure that you're using the tools, learning the tools, and then go back to it. You never want to lose these things, because they're going to be valuable assets. Like 3 months down the road, you're going to be going, oh, what was that product that I wanted? And you go back, and you can go back and go through it and look through it again and use them, use the techniques, and use the training, or you'll be using the system as it is and continuing to make the affiliate commissions that you want to be making. So definitely check it out. Check out my bonus page below. Go grab it. If that's not for you, then check out my #1 recommended business online. It's all about training and taking you to the next level. It shows you how to sell high ticket products and make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 commissions, and that's where you want to generally get to. Perfect stepping stone. You get Glean's product. You go through it, you get started, you get all this stuff going for you. You go use my bonuses. Then you start expanding, building your own sort of system, building your own funnel, and then get into finding high ticket sales to sell. And that is really the goal of affiliate marketing. So guys, thank you for checking out this long-winded video for the Secret Affiliate System. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. If you do like this, give it a thumbs up, and I'll put all my details in there. And if you're looking for anything else, or you just have any questions, say, hey Glenn, I have a question about this, or I'm not sure about that, then definitely put it in the comments, and I will get back to you on that. I think that's it. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers. Go pick up Secret Affiliate System right now. My bonus page link is right below this. The subscribe link is probably beside it. The comments are down there. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, give us all those good things. And I will definitely see you on the next one. I'll probably be doing more review videos as well. There's a lot of training on my channel, so make sure you go check that out. There's a ton there. And I will see you on the next one. And thanks for being a subscriber. Bye.